exposure, that will go into some other category. If there is achievement in your assignments, projects, if you have done, that will go into some other category. So picking and arranging information is all about dumping your information in the set categories. Polishing your CV is basically to review it in a format where the grammar consistency is happening, there are no punctuation errors, their font is consistent, you have not used any funky font, all of that. So that is the polishing of your CV. And last procedure is reviewing your CV. The CV must be reviewed by at least 3 people before you start shooting it to your employers. First person can be your teacher because they know about you, they know about your curriculum, they can be good person to review it. Second person should be your TPOs or placement committees or someone who has a bridge between organization and institution. So that could be your TPOs, can be your placement cell committee, can be your teachers who have prior corporate experience, any of that. And the last person should be a corporate person, can be your IB buddy, and even I will be sharing my email ID with you if you want to have a feedback from me or from my team, we can do that as well. So long story short, there should be 3 reviews that a resume should undergo into before you start shooting them to the employers. Are you all with me?
Yes sir.
कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता प्लीज आगे से। अगर आपको नहीं पता कि मेरे को क्या पसंद है, कहाँ जाना है, तो you should identify your strength and areas of development. In a span of your master's in your graduation, you have come across some subject जो आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा. That can be a subject जहाँ पे आप pursue कर सकते हो अपना career. So identify your strength जिसमें शायद कभी अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए हो गलती से, तो वो subject में pursue. So any indicator you can pick to identify your strength and area of development. Then comes the role that interests you. In alignment to the interest you have identified, look for the jobs there are in the market. So then you will start aligning what kind of job description look like. How should I start curving myself in a way that I become a good fit for this job role. Start scrutinizing for job roles in alignment to your interest. Okay. Then comes the 4th thing, identify 10 organizations. There are people who are very convenient to travel to Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, all of that metropolitan cities, but there are people who look for jobs in the immediate vicinity. I want a job in Rajiv Chowk, I want a job in Kashmiri Ghat, I want a job in NCR. So you should start looking based on your convenience what kind of company hires for that job. Generally what we do is we do a random sampling and we land up into a job whatever comes to us. We can be strategic to an extent that we look for a job which is geographically convenient for me and of course aligns to my strengths and development. Are you all with me?
Yes.
So area of understanding yourself is not just about identifying your accomplishments and writing it down. It is also about understanding your area of interest, strengths and looking for job roles. How to create the list. Then the second thing I was talking about is putting it and articulating it in a piece of paper. So how your list should look like volunteered for the NSS camp, awarded student of the year, elected as a team leader in the dramatics club, awarded first prize at hackathon, completed diploma, completed assignment title, something like this, submitted a thesis on topic. So this is how your ideal list should look like. Okay? It should start with helping work. I have completed this, I have done this. This is not how it starts. It always starts with the helping work. And I encourage to not write a very fancy English because we know, we can sense, we can smell ChatGPT reviews. Alright? So if you think category of skills called professional skills. The 3rd category of skills is the job readiness skill where you can learn about how to host Zoom meeting, how to crack a LinkedIn interview, how to look for a job over LinkedIn, how to write a cover letter, how to build a resume, all of that. Anything that is job related you will get in 3rd category of courses. So all these 85,000 courses are divided. We are partnering with Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. We have various district skill committees working with. So basically this is a product well tried, tested, impacted, produced an outcome, then coming to you. So this initiative is not a rookie something coming as a lab rat, like we are using you as a lab rat. Well, this has been running in India from last 3 years. And in last 3 years, this has produced a great impact outcome. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Okay. So how to get the access? So this is a link. Who is the class representative or officer? Any class representative. Please scan this and put this in the form of WhatsApp. Okay. So if you know, if you can scan it right now, scan this link. This is a self-registration link. This is not an open source platform. We sell the same product to Amities and Cambodia. because they are privileged. Okay? So this QR code, this certificate we are going to get right now. This is sample certificate, and this is a QR code which you are all supposed to scan. This link would come into a common WhatsApp group. I request CRs to do that. And this is a registration link. This will help you register onto the IBM platform. If somebody don't know how to register, you can manually write the QR code. It's fine. I was also technically challenged till the QR code came into the food bars and menus. So I understand. If किसी को नहीं आता, manually type कर लेंगे. It's a small bit.ly link.
I hope everybody has got the access to the link now. Everybody is sitting in the auditorium. Otherwise, you don't get the certificate.
And this is the first step to get the 4 benefits as quoted. All those 4 benefits only comes once you do this. Because IBM ये कहता है कि हम वो सारे benefit तभी देंगे जब बच्चे ने at least एक course किया हो हमारे साथ. So we are making you do that एक course. Okay? So scan this QR code. Can I proceed? So please all eyes at the polishing that are okay with it. We will work on the transfer later. But yeah, all your discretion. So click on login with Google, select your email ID, write your first name and last name, and there is an option for looking for a job for a college student. You can pick out looking for a job or a college student. You can pick any of the checkbox. Alright. So start with login with Google. Select the email ID which you want to opt for. Then select. Look at it. आराम से घर जाके you can identify and diagnose your area of interest. After that, check for the profile. If your spelling name is incorrect, it will be reflected in your certificate. So if your spelling name is incorrect, you can click it on edit and get it fixed. Otherwise, you can click on done. So once you click on done, the platform will ask you, do you want to see a tutorial? You can click on cancel because I am already giving you a tutorial. And once you click on cancel, there is a pop-up message asking you to skip. Once you click the skip tutorial, this is how the homepage of the platform looks like. Anyone has managed to land up to the homepage?
Yes, sir.
Great. So please assist your fellow classmates also to be there. So once you land up onto the homepage, there is a search option in the bottom of your mobile devices. The red circle which you can see. Are you all with me? So if I click on those red circle, I have to type 1, 2, 5. Basically, this is a place where we look for learning activities. I can type any keyword. Like I want to learn about digital, management, marketing, sales, forecasting, anything. I can look for any keywords and the platform will recommend me learning activities around those keywords. Right now we are doing a sample activity. So I am wanting you to type 1 to 5 because 1 to 5 type करेंगे तो your activity title 125 common interview questions would come. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
So type